Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri hene kasi kala Mynjur ban ai Jaka na ka Bynta ka Xavier University ha Mawkhanu. Habakran makinong tho khubor hadin ka jingelang ki kinhun menteri menteri rangba ka jila ukon rat ki sangmau lapan bana baga kinhun menteri kala Mynjur ban ai Jaka ban seng ya ka school ba Xavier University ha Mawkhanu. Na kalyang menteri rangba ka jila ukon rat sangma ulapan tip baki bor badai pet ya ka teka Xavier University ilapha ya ka jingtho shaka Sorkar jila baki don kam ya ka Jaka ka bashispa Akar ban Sdang ya ka di school ba na kalyang ka Sorkar hene ka si kala Mynjur ban ai san pho Akar sha ka ni ka school ba shu le thu ru ba ka Sorkar kala Mynjur ru ba ka ni ka Jaka kan shong dor kumba shilak na ka Bynta shi hekar bat ka de ka dor ka babyang uloong ba lale ya kani namar ka Xavier ka de ka shlam hi kai ka babyang bha bat ka de ka jing panlut na ka Bynta ka jing mentoy ki khun samla ki banwan bandon kum kani ka Jaka puli ha ka jila ka long ka badon kam shibun na ka Bynta ki khun samla.
Establishment of St. Xavier's University in Shillong. As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Mawkhanu. At a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation. Because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.